How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be checking out this Valleycomfy microfiber leather steering wheel cover. It's a universal fit for 15-inch steering wheels. Now, this is a very, very soft texture, and it was really easy to install. A lot of times, steering wheel covers are really hard to install because they're such a tight fit. But in this instance, whatever material they used on the inside of this, it made it possible to install it, and it does not slide around, as you can see. It is very grippy, very squishy, and it has a really, really nice leather texture to it. I really enjoy this. My steering wheel was falling apart a little bit. This brought it back to life and gave me the comfort that I wish I had previously. So go check out the Valleycomfy microfiber leather steering wheel. Again, this is universal for 15-inch steering wheels. I have this on a Volkswagen Passat steering wheel, and again, very easy to install, and it really fits snug on here. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped.